Would you like to create video presentations that captivate and hold the viewer's attention from beginning to end? Presentations that impress your clients and increase sales? Then you'll need the BlueFX Whiteboard Explainer Template. With this template, you can tell a visually engaging story about a company or concept using our unique and beautifully drawn character sketches, along with text, speech bubbles, and other animations. Here's an example. Hello, this is Joe. Joe runs his own business selling local goods. But Joe has a big problem. He's got too much to do, and he can't find qualified help. Everywhere Joe has looked, he's only found unqualified employees. Then one day, Joe called the Solution Company. Over the phone, the Solution Company was able to analyze Joe's needs and match him with qualified candidates. Within days, Joe had a wide selection of qualified, pre-screened workers to choose from. Thanks to the Solution Company, Joe can now sit back and relax, knowing he's got the right people for the right job. Do you want to find the right people for your business? Call the Solution Company today. Let the Solution Company provide you with pre-screened and qualified candidates to grow your business. With the Whiteboard Video Explainer Template, not only can you create a video that's similar to Joe's story, but you'll have all the tools you need to create a variety of unique, personalized explainer videos of your own. This template is easy to use and includes a video tutorial, so even beginners with After Effects will have an easy time creating a compelling and engaging story. You will have complete control over the video's duration, scenes, and colors. The Whiteboard Video Explainer Template comes with over 80 characters, 20 social media icons, and over 300 different elements, arrows, speech bubbles, text animations, pre-made scenes, and more. We can also help you find the perfect voiceover for your video, just like the voice that you can hear now. You will find more details in the download package about this. With the Whiteboard Video Explainer, you can also create custom product presentations, like this one. Running your own business can be costly, time-consuming, and difficult to manage. From keeping track of shipments, to meetings, to coordinating projects, you have a lot to keep track of. Wouldn't your life be great if you were able to remember all your appointments, manage all your projects, get notified of shipping, deliveries, and other details, all with the push of a button? Well, now you can with the all-new Wonder app. Wonder app is easy to use, manages multiple accounts and users, and works anywhere. Wonder app works on your computer, tablet, and smartphone. With Wonder app, your profits will soar with such ease, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So get your BlueFX Whiteboard Video Explainer Template right now. Click the Add to Cart button now to create presentations that captivate viewers, impress your clients, and increase sales.